Okay, once you're done with these 3 screws, this thing will just come out this nicely, and that's it. All we have to do is get the new one and put it in. There you go. Put the screws back. The new one is in place. There's nothing special about it. There's only one place you can put it in. These connectors, again, there's only one. You can't mix them up. There's only one way that they can go on. So let's try. Does it work or not? Okay, here we go. We closed it, and beautiful. Opens up real nice. And all we have to do is put back the plastic cover, and it's good to go. This is the actuator, the bad one. And see, this is the one that's supposed to open the door. And this one, I guess it got weak or something. It didn't have enough power to open the latch anymore. So it was just making the noise like trying to open, but didn't actually pull it up. Well, that's it.